Welcome to Secco Wine Club Member Choice tutorial. Secco Member Choice provides our members with the flexibility to customize your club orders yourself to get exactly the wines that you'd like to drink. You're able to add additional quantities of your current club shipment, add additional bottles of preferred wine that you'd like restocked, as well as update your billing, shipping, and payment information as needed. If you would like to stick with your club shipment alone, there is no action that you need to take, and we will send you our current month selection. To customize your order, simply click on the Member Choice Order page link here on the Secco Club Order Notification email. If you've made a recent purchase of our wines, you will be taken directly to the Club Order Summary page. Otherwise, you will need to log in with your email address and password that you created when signing up for your club membership. If you've forgotten your password, click on the password link, and our system will retrieve it for you. Once you're on the Club Order Summary page, you'll see step-by-step instructions on how to proceed. Again, if you're happy with your club shipment as is, there is no action to take. However, you can optionally select the Activate button, which simply indicates you're ready for your shipment today. Otherwise, we'll automatically ship it out whatever this designated day states. To customize your order, click on the Edit Add to Order button, and then click on the Continue button that pops up where you'll be directed to the wine catalog and may begin navigating the wines. Click on any of the Add to Cart buttons next to the wines that you prefer. At this time, you're not able to modify your membership yourself. However, if you have any questions or need to make any changes to your membership, please email us at hello@seccowineclub.com. When you're finished with your selections or have decided to stick with your club shipment, select the Save Changes button. You'll then be redirected back to your order summary page to view the additional wines that you added. Click on the Activate button to indicate that you're ready for your shipment today, otherwise we'll automatically ship it out on whatever the designated day states. If you need to make any changes or adjustments to your billing, shipping, or payment information, simply click on the relevant edit links to make your necessary changes. Next step, patiently wait for your wine or think about your next wine pairing with your favorite cheese. Enjoy, and thank you for being part of the Secco Wine Club family.